Hey guys, it's Janet from The Mummy and the Monkey. This is part of the Monster Hustle playlist. I did do a shipping video last week or maybe the week before. I wanted to do another one. So I sold these three little birds on auction, and they are mercury glass. They're vintage mercury glass. They're very lightweight and very extremely delicate. I had some other ornaments that I put on auction. One auction went up to $58 plus shipping. This auction wasn't as lucky. These little birdies sold for $15 plus shipping. Well, these little birdies are very, very delicate. Some of the feet are broken on them. They're not in the best of condition, but they are not chipped or cracked, so that's good to know. But a way that I pack up small, delicate things like this is I kind of wrap them up like a burrito. And I also make a little bed for them. So I've got paper in here. I've got some of the big bubbles. And I get all my bubble wrap from U-Haul. So does James. We buy a lot of our supplies from U-Haul, or we order them through eBay's shipping supplies. This box is from eBay. They don't endorse us in any way. That's just our own personal preference. So I have a sheet of bubble there to kind of cushion it so they have like a little birdie mattress. And then I have this little birdie. Let me wrap it up better. Let's see if I could do this with one hand. That's what she said. All right, so we wrap that up like a little burrito. And I'm going to put the little birdie burrito right in there, and there's just enough room so the birdie burrito can have some friends. There's another birdie. Let's wrap them up. Wrap them up very carefully. We're going to place little birdie in there, and then there's just enough room where the third little birdie can go in the middle. And these are just beautiful vintage ornaments. I bought a bunch of Christmas stuff for like $20 and have profited good on those. I was very happy about that and very thankful for that sale. Okay, so we've got the three in there, and what I'm going to do is put a little more paper on top, and if I can fit it safely, I'm going to do one more layer of bubble wrap on top, and then what I'll probably do is cut a piece of cardboard from this box and put the cardboard on top just to give it one more layer, so when I tape it up and everything, it's good to go. So if it gets knocked around and stuff, it has a little more cushion there. So that's how I wrap small breakable items. These are very, very lightweight. This could probably go first class shipping. And then there's some wiggle room that gives you a couple extra dollars where you can buy the eBay ship cover insurance. That way, in case if something happens, you pay the extra bucks, and eBay will cover it if the item is damaged. And it seems like it's a better service than USPS. That's a personal preference as a seller, or if you are sending something out, that's up to you how you want to insure it. But as long as it's within the shipping budget, because the customer did pay $15 plus shipping cost. So as long as it's within the shipping budget, we'll do it, just to make sure those vintage little birdies are safe. And to me, if it's $15 or $1,500, it doesn't matter. You still want your item to arrive safe so the customer is happy. So that's how you ship delicate little fragile things. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this type of content, give it a thumbs up. If you like reselling videos, and if you like cheesy B movies, you might like our other playlist here on The Mummy and the Monkey. And that's The Mummy and the Monkey's Hairy Scary Hangout.